So which of these franchises can bounce back tonight? They're moving around India and we are in the warm, welcoming city of Hyderabad today, where the Sunrisers will play their first home game. It's always orange here, but every time you come to Hyderabad, it looks a little more orange. The seats have changed too, and it is a fabulous sight today. The stadium here, the Orange Army is in full attendance today. You will have no doubts guessing which the home side is. Pat Cummins is Sunrisers Hyderabad. Hardik Pandya, captain. First ball. Good swing. I think it might have clipped the pad. No, it didn't. I thought it might have jumped. Good ball. Love it when the left 1.7 Agarwal and he slips. Just a bit back of a length, and Travis Head, experienced, clatters the ball for the first boundary.
Yeah, and that's the thing, isn't it? Is the lines and the lengths and adapting to the players, the left-handed.
On the board, he just breathed a little. Oh, through his hands. You need to pick these up, and it's through the very safe hands of.
In a start, but when Tim David looked at him, oh, it's short and it's pulled away. Not sure there's anything for short on this wicket.
As you said, that just stood up. No grass, no big.
The game. Oh, just cleared his foot, went through with the shot. Picks up the length very well again. And this has gone long, long. Good. Hard back down the ground for four. It's in some form, Travis Head. He's lighting up the atmosphere here. Oh, just over for four. This is very clever batting.
From Parker is out of the attack. And he will get a wicket this time, surely. Yes, he does. Tim David put one down a little bit earlier, but he... That's very smart, because Hardik wanted him to hit it out to the deep square leg. In the air, but it smoked through backward point. This is some innings so far from Travis Head, 40 from 15. What gap finding. Magnificent. A wicket in the over, but 13 off it, 58 for one. All the way for 6.
Point.
A rupee on the go for Travis Head. He's come in and he started his innings in... That will be 50 for Travis Head. The fastest 50 in Tata IPL for S. Just enough. Long enough. Tim David seems... There's no stopping that.
It's only fair to go into that defensive skill rather early. Too high. Got a bit of hand to that, Ishan, but wasn't enough.
This is...
68.
Down to deep third. Catch taken. Bumrah. Off the mark straight away. What a way to get off the mark.
Oh, wow. It doesn't matter if your name is Markram or Klaas and the ball's only... What does he have in his second spell? Oh, dear. You've got to help in the field. You have... And this one vanishes too. Was a slow ball. It's now down the ground. 50 comes up in just 17 balls for Abhishek Sharma. Parker do next. The timing is superb. Will beat the... There is a hailstorm here. There is a hailstorm in Hyderabad. It's straight up. Is it long enough? Straight on the line. It's taken. Piyush Chawla gets away.
Not too many dot balls and only boundaries. There you go. It's long enough, is it? Yes, it is. That's how good class it is.
Towns. There's no ways he can knock houses down. Oh my goodness, that's going to knock a house down.
Of the batters.
There's been many moments where Mumbai Indians fans will be holding their heads in.
Oh, bludgeoned. Bludgeoned. Boom, boom, boom. Just finds different places of the ground. In an IPL game. They're going to get there. They're going to get there in sixes. This is on a day when there's been such great batting. This is one of the best. Beats a fielder inside the circle. Even the mighty Bumrah is now travelling for boundaries.
Screams.
Hit very hard into the boundary for four. And these are not the shots. Straight to the field. Another one that's still end at last for the fielding side.
दोस्तों कैसे हैं आप सब। उम्मीद करता हूँ सब खैरियत से होंगे। मैच नंबर 8 इस वक्त जारी है आईपीएल का, जो कि हैदराबाद में खेला जा रहा है। सनराइजर हैदराबाद और मुंबई इंडियंस के दरमियान में बहुत ही गंदा स्टार्ट किया मुंबई इंडियंस ने। बॉलिंग लाइनअप बहुत ही गंदा था, जिसकी वजह से तकरीबन 15 ओवरों में 200 रन मार चुका है हैदराबाद। ट्रेविस हेड ने मारी 50 एंड आईपीएल की सनराइजर्स की टीम की सबसे तेज़ तरीन 50 मारी। तो बहुत ही अच्छा खेले और उसके बाद अभी तकरीबन 15 ओवर में 200 रन हो चुके हैं। जी हाँ दोस्तों, 3 आउट हुए हैं अभी तक और मज़ीद इंशाल्लाह आपके सामने लाते रहेंगे क्रिकेट की अपडेट्स। तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और सनराइजर्स वर्सेस मुंबई इंडियंस कौन सी टीम आज जीतेगी कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताइएगा और वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें। तो कौन सी लग रहा है आपको टीम जीत सकती है, ज़रूर कमेंट में बताइए।